Welcome students. Here the question. Find the value of 3 within bracket sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power 4 plus 6 within bracket sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 within bracket sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. This is an trigonometric expression which will be reduced to a form either list form or in a numerical value. To do this, always basic trigonometric formulas use. Basic trigonometric formulas means like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Here, because here only sin and cos, so the formula will be used is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Another formula may be used, but this formula must be used. Let us try to solve this question, then it will be understood. Now this 3. We will express this in terms of sin square theta plus cos square theta. To get this, here see sin theta minus cos theta, that of square, then that of square. Because when it will be expanded, sin square theta plus cos square theta will be appeared plus 6. Now expanding this, sin square theta plus cos square theta, a plus b whole square formula, see a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means sin theta cos theta. See 4 into, here writing by this way, that of square, here give second bracket, third bracket, whole cube. See ultimately this will be sin to the power 6 cos to the power 6. Now here a cube plus b cube formula can be used. A means sin square theta, b means cos square theta. So 3, here it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2ab. A means sin theta, b means cos theta. Now second bracket plus 6 within bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here written the formula 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta as it is, plus writing here 4. Here see there is a formula in algebra is equal to minus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula in algebra. So here assume that a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta. So what we will write, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3ab. ab means a means sin square theta, b means cos square theta. Again writing into a plus b means sin square theta, bracket closed, third bracket closed. Now again simplify this. 3. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 minus, here one thing, sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, and this is done mistake. Here will be square 2 sin theta cos theta, that of square, plus 6 what is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now writing this way now. One whole cube means 1, 4 into 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. Now see, expand this now. 3, 1 square means 1 plus 4 sin square theta. Here written a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2, and these 2 will be 4 sin theta cos theta. Now writing these, opening the brackets, plus 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Oh, here this, see, minus 3, 4 into 3 sin square theta. Next step, this 4 is not written. 4, this will be 4 into 3, directly writing 12. This will be minus actually. So now multiplying or opening the brackets, 3 into 4 plus 4 3 into 4 12 minus 3 into 4 12 plus 6 plus 4 10 plus 12 sin theta cos theta minus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Now see, 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 12 sin square theta will get cancelled. Minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin will get cancelled. So finally answer is 13. Therefore the required value of the given expression is, therefore the value of three whole 4 is 13. If you feel any difficulty to understand, you may write in comment box. If you are benefited, you will share your friends for their understanding, for their getting this video. Thank you very much.